10 Featured Bikinis, by Luxe by Vogel. Spring 2017 collection. At any time, click the circle, and get the details about your favorite bikini. Number 1. A beach bikini. Featuring a sleek design, made of sleek nylon, with a bikini bottom. Available exclusively in gold color. Number 2. Featuring a charm look with snake print, produced with custom fitting material. This bikini includes bikini bottom and band. Available only in navy color. Number 3. A beach slim fit bikini. Featuring a sleek look, produced with sleek nylon, with a bikini bottom. Available just in black color. Number 4. An autumn bikini. Featuring an elegant modern-inspired design, made of adjustable luxurious fabric. This bikini includes bikini top and liquid halter. Available exclusively in grey color. Number 5. An autumn straight bikini. Featuring a sleek modern touch, produced with sleek nylon. This bikini includes bikini bottom and high waist. Available just in black color. Number 6. A beach straight bikini. Featuring a classic modern style, made of luxurious fabric, with a bikini bottom. Available just in blue color. Number 7. A micro mini length bikini. Featuring a classic look, crafted from comfortable nylon. This bikini includes bikini top, bikini bottom and band. Available uniquely in black color. Number 8. A beach bikini. Featuring a sleek design, produced with sleek nylon, decorated with pearls, with a bikini bottom. Available exclusively in periwinkle color. Number 9. A micro mini length slim fit bikini. Featuring a beautiful look, produced with soft nylon. This bikini includes bikini top, high neck and lace overlay. Available just in black color. Thanks for watching this hand-picked collection by #WomenFashion. And if you didn't like it, write something mean in the below comments. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel.